Hi everyone, my name is Jerrell with Live More Stress Less Training, and I will be your movement coach with MyOptimalHealth. All right, great. So we had a long day at work, and last thing we want to do is getting up, moving around, doing these extra exercises, jumping around. Here's something simple that we can do at home, watching TV, relaxing with the family, and you can have the whole family do it with you to make it fun. So a little bit of core is going to be in here. So what we can do is we're going to have our hands on the back of our head, okay? And we're going to crunch down, really pulling our back in, our stomach in here, and then come up, okay? So it's just like a crunch, but we're just sitting up. So here, here, here. And you should be squeezing your stomach every time you come down, okay? As if you're on the ground doing a regular crunch, okay? So you're gonna do about 30 seconds. Your next round that you'll do is turns. So now you'll be working that core side to side. This is great for your back to get that movement in. So you'll do that one also for 30 seconds on your first round, okay? So we have the first one is here, then our second one is here, okay? For your third exercise, we're gonna do your opposite hand reaches your opposite toe. So we're gonna be here. So this is gonna be a little bit of a flexibility as well. So we wanna keep that core tight and reaching out. You don't wanna clop down, nice and easy, bringing your foot down, okay? Sit up each time. Don't stay here the whole time trying to touch your toe. Sit up. Nice and beautiful, here. And it's nice and relaxed, doesn't have to be crazy, okay? Movement helps, movement is improvement, okay? So that's gonna be your third exercise. Your fourth one is coming down. So it's gonna feel like a sit-up and then coming up. So coming down, touching your heels, and then coming up. So this is like a sit-up almost, okay? And remember, we're crunching our stomach, curling in our stomach as we go down. Boom, boom. And this is our fourth exercise for 30 seconds, okay? So this is working our core. All these things are working our core, and it's helping our back move as well. You always want to move your back as much as possible, your lower back, to help maintain strength, stability throughout our day. Because we're always picking up stuff the wrong way, doing things the wrong way, picking up the kids the wrong way. So those things help. So all those movements, those 5 movements, 30 seconds, and you're gonna do maybe 4 sets, 5 sets. Challenge each other, see who can do it the longest. Have fun with it, but just understand that you're moving, you're helping yourself out. Something's better than nothing, okay? Let's go.